Welcome back, children. Solving inequalities. Solve 2x minus 1 by 3 greater than or equal to 3x minus 2 by 4 minus 2 minus x by 5. So, first we can simplify the right hand side. LCM 5 into 3x minus 2 minus 4 into 2 minus x by 4 into 5. Okay. That is 2x minus 1 by 3 greater than or equal to 15x minus 10 minus 8 plus 4x by 20. We can cross 20 into 2x minus 1 greater than or equal 3 into simplify 15x plus 4x is equal to 19x minus 18. Now again multiply 40x minus 20 greater than or equal to 19 into 3 57x minus 54. Okay. Then 40x x take to one side minus 54 plus 20. So minus 17x greater than or equal to minus 34. It is not possible to cancel this negative sign. You have to divide right hand side minus 34 by minus 17. So when we divide by negative sign, the sign of the inequality reversed. So you have to write less than or equal. So x less than or equal to 2. Okay. So what is the solution? Minus infinity to 2. 2 is closed, minus infinity open. So in this way we can solve inequalities. This is algebraic method. Now how to represent graphical. Solve the inequalities and show the graph of the solution on the number line. Here only one variable. That's why the solution we can represent on number line. If two variables are there, then we have to represent in the plane, xy plane. So we can open this bracket, 2x plus 8, x take to one side and 3 to the other side. So minus 5x is less than 5. So x is greater than, we have to divide by minus 5. So x is greater than minus 1. Okay, that means minus 1 to infinity, that is the meaning. Minus 1 is open. So this is the solution. Now we have to represent the solution on number line. So draw the number line. It's minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. And here the solution is minus 1 to infinity, but minus 1 is not included. After minus 1 onwards, it's a solution. So minus 1, at that point you have to draw a white circle. Okay, that means draw a white circle like this. That means that point is not included. Then the solution is the right side. Isn't it? Minus 1 to plus infinity is the right side. So this right side portion you have to darken. So darken means the number line you have to darken. Like this, and arrow also. Okay. Arrow also to darken. Okay. So this side is the solution region. -1 is not included, that's why there is a white circle. If that is also, if this part is closed, then you have to darken that point also. Okay. The next one, again find the solution, then represent on the number line. So x by 2, left right hand side we can simplify. 15, 5 into 5x minus 2 minus 3 into 7x minus 3. Or x by 2 is greater than or equal to 25x minus 10 minus 21x plus 9 by 15. Or 15x greater than or equal 2 into 25 minus 21, that is 4x minus 1. That is 15x is greater than or equal to 8x minus 2. Or 15x minus 8x is greater than or equal to minus 2. That is 7x is greater than or equal to minus 2. X is greater than or equal to minus 2 by 7. Minus 2 by 7. What is 2 by 7? 0 point. Okay. 3. 2 is 14. Then 6. 56. 0.28 something. It is minus. Now we have to represent on number line. So draw the number line. Both side arrow. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And this is minus 0.28 something. That is minus. This is 0. Right side of 0 positive number. So this is negative. Left side you have to mark. And approximately you put a point here. That is minus 0.3 something. So just here you put a point. Okay. That is minus 2 by 7. Now the region, solution region is greater than or equal. So minus 0.28 to infinity. And this point is closed. Right open interval. So darken this point and the right hand side. Okay. So that is the solution region. Since it is one variable, we can represent the solution on number line. Find all pairs of consecutive odd positive integers, both of which are smaller than 10, such that their sum is more than 11. Find all pairs of consecutive odd positive integers. That is pair-wise. Odd positive integers, consecutive odd positive integers, both of which are smaller than 10 and the sum is more than 11. So take the first number, let x be the smaller of two consecutive odd positive integers. Consecutive odd positive integers. So x be the first number, smaller one. So the other number be, what is the other number? X is the first smaller one of two consecutive odd positive integers. So next odd number be x plus 2. Odd one and even one. If x is the first number, next odd number or next even number is x plus 2. Next integer will be x plus 1. Then what is given in the question? Both of which are smaller than 10. So x is smaller than 10 and x plus 2 is also smaller than 10. We have to find the pairs. The first one is x, the second one is x plus 2. This pair if only you have to find. So each is less than 10 and also the sum of these two is more than 11. So 2x is greater than 11 minus 2. 2x is greater than 9 or x is greater than 9 by 2. 9 by 2 means 4.5. So x value is more than 4.5. So what is the more than 4.5? What is the next integer? We can take next odd integer, not even, odd positive integer. So we can take x as 5. So what is x plus 2? 7. Then we can take x as 7. That is also odd positive integer. So x plus 2 becomes 9. Now can I take x is equal to 9? Is it possible? When x is 9, x plus 2 becomes 11. But what is given in the question? X plus 2 is also less than 10. So this third case is not possible. So only these two pairs. So therefore required pairs are pairwise you have to write 5, 7. 5 is less than 10, 7 is less than 10, sum is more than 11. Next is 7, 9. 7 is less than 10, 9 is less than 10, but their sum is more than 11. Okay. So only two pairs. The next one. Ravi obtained 70 and 75 marks in first two unit test. Find the minimum marks he should get in the third test to have an average of at least 60 marks. Okay. So there are three tests. In the first two tests, Ravi got 70 and 75. We have to find what is the minimum marks in third test such that the average of these three is at least 60. So we don't know what is the minimum marks in third test. So we can write let the minimum marks be x. Marks in the third test. Be x. Then what is given in the question? 70 is the first marks. That is first test marks. 75 is the marks in the second test and x is the third one. Its average. Average means divided by 3. Okay, and it is at least 60. What do you mean by at least 60? Minimum 60. So 60 or more, that's the meaning. At least means the symbol is at least is greater than or equal. So greater than or equal to 60. Minimum 60. So 60 or more than that. Now solving this and find the value of x. 70 plus 75 is 145 plus x is greater than or equal to 60 into 3. Or x is greater than or equal to 180 minus 145. Or x is greater than or equal to 35. So what is the minimum marks? 35. This means x value is 35 or more than that. Therefore, minimum marks. That will be 35. Then only he will get the average of at least 60 marks.